Any time in the day where you're feeling things are not in balance and there's too much going on, you can visualize a violet flame. Violet flames represent a purifying force, a purifying energy. And as I visualize that I'm surrounded by violet flames or a situation is surrounded by violet flames, I'm invoking a higher state of consciousness. It's the power of visualization used in a very beautiful way. So one way of doing it is you imagine a big bonfire. It's got violet flames coming out of it. And you admire this beautiful bonfire and you're drawn to it and you go ahead and you step inside the bonfire. And instead of being hot like a normal bonfire is, this bonfire is very pleasant. And it really works deep inside of you. It purifies your whole space, your whole sense of being. And everything comes back into alignment. So violet flames, infinite violet flame blessings. Thinking of any person, any situation that's feeling stuck, you can imagine violet flames, or you can just invite or invoke violet flames. It doesn't take any practice, but right away it creates a shift. Every time we do this, it creates a shift. And so I find this a lovely way of coming back to alignment and invoking something higher and getting out of overthinking things and coming to a place of flow, coming to a place of grace. So lovely practice, violet flames.